Art and activism, the art of protest. Activism ain't terrorism, but I'm gonna terrorize you with the truth. Past, present, and the future depends on you. That's Whitey in my toilet at the where the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. Shorty's traveling art show. Whitey in the toilet. The toilet don't care if you black, white, straight or gay. The toilet take your shit every day. It's the time to pee. Did you use the toilet today? You're gonna think about me tomorrow. I promise you. Ask Scott Schellenberger. I'm the best of the best in Baltimore in 2016. Alright? The best of the best in Baltimore. That's Barbara Mikulski. She got my paperwork for exoneration. She got my paperwork when I started this, before I ever got locked up. I'm doing 40 years as a slave. Alright? And my anniversary is coming up. Y'all made me famous for toilets, so I'm gonna run with that shit. We're gonna talk about G.O.P. Carter today, from 2014. This is the book G.O.P. Carter don't want nobody to see. It's a can of whoop ass. That's when she was delegate G.O.P. Carter. See that? 2014, Brown Omen. And Brown Omen had this. See that? 2007, right to access the grand jury. G.O.P. Carter had that. 2007, 2014, for 7 years. That's a legal notice. G.O.P. Carter had this legal notice too. I never got a trial. It's all right here. See the date? Duane G. Davis, notarized. See it? That makes it legal in any state in this country. This is to prove I was making a movie about your judicial system. See the date? 2012. All right? G.O.P. Carter, this is your book. Right here, District Court of Maryland, case number. I was making a movie about our politics and our politicians. And they're all named right here. All right? Paul Weinblatt, Scott Schellenberger. You see that? A movie about y'all. Ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun. All right? Everybody here is in the movie. See that? Nathaniel Mathagan. See everybody here? Duane G. Davis Jr., Public Defender, Ehrlich and Obama, Judge Boris, Richard Scher, Christian Schaefer. This is through the legal lens, all right? Through the legal lens. So let's have a panel discussion. Y'all use me in portraits. Let's have a panel discussion. It's 40 years a slave. That's 1986, June 1986. Victim, Duane G. Davis. Witness, Richard Longmiter, Benny Starks. From 1986 to now. From 1986 to now, 40 years a slave. March 3rd, 1986 makes 40 years. I want to go to the grand jury, and I want to take this evidence in front of the grand jury. G.O.P. Carter is going to be my witness. She got this book. See that? I got 100 shares of Shorty's. All right? Certifies that Duane G. Davis is the owner. 100 shares. You feel me? And that's my property. I own me. That makes me a free black man. Y'all made the movie Color Purple. Well, I made a movie too. It's called Baltimore Rewired, the money behind mass incarceration. You feel me? And that's my jailhouse diary, my jailhouse ID. You feel me? Parole and probation. Just like The Color Purple, I ain't Miss Seeley. The struggle is real. You feel me? The struggle is real. Everything coming into focus now. That's a jailhouse diary from 1986. That's a jailhouse diary from 2007. This is my jailhouse diary. All right? See the date? Today's the date. And it's all right here. You can contact Dennis Sawyer. You can contact the FBI on Roosevelt Road. It's called Potty Training Politicians. You can contact Mayor Brandon Scott. Like I said, 40 years a slave through the legal lens. That's Get Shorty right there. That's Al Bunbury from the Oreos. That's Shorty's Barbecue, the best of the best in 1999. The best of the best in 2016. The best of the best now. You feel me? I'm the cook in Baltimore. Never bite the hand that feeds you, and my number ain't changed. This is Spring Grove Medical Hospital, consent to be videotaped. I want y'all to play the whole hour-and-a-half tape. See, I chased Adam May out of here, and Mackenzie Frost just hard-headed. So we're going to show the role the media plays in misinformation. The whole hour-and-a-half interview. And Kai Jackson, you can be the moderator. We're going to talk about mass incarceration in your prison industry. Fox 45, WJZ, the role the media plays in misinformation. See that? This is to prove I was making a movie about your judicial system. That's notarized. Commode emotion. The Baltimore Sun, Armstrong Williams, y'all got this. Brent Jones, the Baltimore Sun, you got this. It's a political statement in a soapbox. You feel me? So Governor Westmore got this too. He got my intellectual property. He got 3 pieces of property that goes with this movie. We the people, all right? We the people, remember that. Through the legal lens. See the date? 2/9/2011, filed for a public defender. I fired my lawyer and defended myself. So just like the Westboro Baptist Church, I got a freedom of speech. Yeah, and I want my freedom protected by my public officials, by my governor, by our senators, by our congressmen, by our elected officials. I want my freedom of speech protected by GOP Carter, from Attorney General Anthony Brown. Because I told y'all when y'all started this, it was a can of whoop ass. That's the state of Maryland, the office of the governor. See that? Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, Shorty Davis, Baltimore County Detention Center. All right? The DVD has been sent to your lawyer, Thomas Saunders. Y'all never played that tape in front of the grand jury. You feel me? So let's, like The Color Purple, we're going to finish what we started. I'm a free black man, and you're going to free me like you did Miss Seeley. You feel me? You're going to free me like you did Miss Seeley. Because I'm coming to Annapolis, and I'm bringing my friend. You feel me? Helping oppressed people excel. You're going to learn a lot from a dummy. That's a jailhouse diary. That's a jailhouse diary. And that's a jailhouse diary. It's a jailhouse truth. So Governor Westmore, what you going to do? You got this. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Remember that. That's Atlas, David Smith, Fox 45, Baltimore Sun. That's criminal law. Like I said, I'm a jailhouse lawyer. A person may not make or cause to be made a statement, all right? That's Ivan Bates. You the state's attorney. You've been protecting Scott Schellenberger and the people in this book. You feel me? It's about your prison industry and mass incarceration and get shorty. So let's have a panel discussion. Let's have a panel discussion about race and racism. Let's have the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Art be the mediator. We got time. We got time. You feel me? From 1986 to now, 40 years a slave. I never got a trial in 2007. I was held for 186 days illegally. Mayor Brandon Scott know about this. Mayor Sam Cunningham know about this. The Department of Justice, the FBI. So just like The Color Purple, I want my freedom. I want my freedom. This is a factual story. Ain't nothing fictional about it. President Trump got my paperwork.